If you're planning to make a comeback in 2026, listen to this. 2025 might not have been your year. Maybe you lost motivation. Maybe life hit you harder than you expected. Maybe you're not where you thought you'd be. But 2026? That could be the year people look at you and say, "Damn, what happened to him?" Comebacks don't happen overnight. They happen in silence. When you're tired, when nobody's clapping for you, when you're building a new version of yourself from scratch. If you really want to change, here's what you need to do starting today. Fix your habits, even the small ones. Drop the people who drain your energy. Start focusing on your body, your mind, your looks. Stay consistent even when you don't feel like it. Stop comparing yourself. Put your head down and work. Your comeback won't be loud at first, but the results will be. Imagine the version of you next year. Healthier, more aesthetic, more confident, more disciplined, more focused. That version of you is real. You just need to show up for him. 2026 isn't going to change your life. You are. Start now. And when the year comes, everyone will see the difference.